This is a 2005 Chevrolet Trailblazer. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 4.2-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and aluminum wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Siemens Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 8961 Red Arrow Highway in Bridgman.